The Pago Sky Chair is modern and on trend. This sleek and comfy chair elevates any environment, be it your office, a boardroom, or at home. Behind Sky's simple design lies a well-engineered solution, allowing it to move effortlessly while maintaining optimal posture. Sky aims to blur the boundaries between home and office, offering a completely ergonomic chair to seamlessly blend into your living space. Its height-adjustable arms also provide three-dimensional movement. The chair features a posture-sure synchronised mechanism. That means you can lock the chair in a supportive position or allow the chair to recline. The choice is yours. The right side lever operates the gas lifter. Place your feet firmly on the floor and ensure there's a 90-degree angle between your thigh and your shin bone. Sit as far back in the chair as possible. The left side lever locks the chair in an upright position. We recommend using the chair in the free flow position or unlocked most of the day. Lock it in the most upright position for concentrated working. The Sky offers an inbuilt safety feature which prevents the back from flying forward when releasing the lock. To successfully adjust the chair, you must be seated. Gently pull the chair and shift your body weight forward. This supports the mechanism and ensures a safe release. The 3D arms are height adjustable. Hold the in button and raise or lower to the desired height. Raise is suitable for supporting your arm when using a mouse. Lowered is best for getting the chair as close to the desk as possible. The arm top cap slides forward and backwards and rotates left and right. Use this adjustment to support your arm while using a mouse. The Sky Chair by Pago carries a 5-year warranty, ensuring long-lasting quality and peace of mind. Congratulations on a great new addition to your home or office. Thanks for watching.